Can you solve this math challenge? Here's the question. Evaluate 16th root of 3 times 5 times 17 times 257 plus 1. You can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. Now, let's answer this question together. Now, this is very simple if we use calculator. But the challenge is, without using calculator, can you evaluate this expression? 16th root of 3 times 5 times 7 times 257 plus 1. Now, to answer this question, let's first focus on this number 3, 5, 17, and 257. Now, take note that this 3 is just 4 minus 1, and this 5 is just 4 plus 1. This 17 is 16 plus 1, and 257 is just 256 plus 1. Now, the question is, why we choose those numbers? Now, take note that this 16 is just 4 squared, and this 256 is just 4 raised to the 4th power. So, 3 is just 4 minus 1, 5 is just 5 plus 1, 17 is 4 squared plus 1, 257 is just 4 raised to the 4th power plus 1. Now, let's replace those numbers with those equivalent, like this. And then let's focus on this expression. Now, let's focus to the product of these two terms, 4 minus 1 times 4 plus 1. This reminds me of a special product. If we have a minus b times a plus b, it's equivalent to a squared minus b squared. So, 4 minus 1 times 4 plus 1 is the same thing as 4 squared minus 1 squared. And we know 1 squared is just 1. Now, let's focus on the product of these two expressions, 4 squared minus 1 and 4 squared plus 1. Again, if we use this special product, this is equivalent to just 4 raised to the 4th power minus 1 raised to the 4th power. And again, 1 raised to the 4th power is just 1. Finally, let's focus on this product. 4 raised to the 4th power minus 1 times 4 raised to the 4th power plus 1. Again, using this special product, this is equivalent to just 4 raised to 8 minus 1 raised to 8. And again, 1 raised to 8 is just 1. Now, let's focus on this expression. This will give us 16th root of 4 raised to 8 minus 1 plus 1. Now, if we simplify this, this is just 4 raised to 8 minus 1 plus 1, and negative 1 plus 1 is just 0. So this is just 16th root of 4 raised to 8. And now, 16th root of 4 raised to 8 can be written as 4 raised to 8 over 16. And 8 over 16 is just 1/2. And 4 raised to 1/2 is just square root of 4. And square root of 4 is just 2. Therefore, our answer to this question, what is the value of 16th root of 3 times 5 times 17 times 257 plus 1? And our answer without calculator is just 2. And as always, we are done.